say? Of course. Today's gonna be so sick. Let's go. Road trip, baby. I'm trying to give you a real understanding for how loud this is. It's so loud. Oh, I'm so sorry, everybody, bro. God, today's gonna be a good day, bros. Let's go. It's very early. We gotta be quiet.
God, you're so freaking cute in the morning. Oh my God, look at that cute face. Say hello. Say what's good, my gangsters. Oh my God. Love you. We'll see you later, okay? Do you have your mask? Mister? Mister, do you have your mask?
Hello. Welcome to the cabin. Cue the intro. What's up, guys? I'm just kidding. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome to today's video. My name's Chris. If you're new here, we do Mark 7 GTI content. We do Jetta content. We go fast, have a good time. If that's something that interests you, go down there, hit that subscribe button, and join the family. Help me hit my goal of 500 subs by the end of the month. Let's go! Jesus. I was trying. That was actually hilarious.
Sir, why do you know where I live?
Huh? What's up?
Do you know where I live?
It's kind of really easy to pick out that car.
Yeah, I was gonna say, I just thought about that when she asked. I was like, oh, the car's in the fucking driveway. You want me to meet me at the wash?
Yeah.
Alright, sick.
Are you gonna tell them what we're doing today?
Oh yeah, alright. Sorry, I forgot. We're kind of in a hurry. So, this morning, I woke up, well, Meg woke me up and she's like, hey, do you want to go to the kancamagus highway? And I was like, yeah, what? So my friend Brandon hit me up because we weren't able to hang out last night and I felt bad. So today, we're making a fucking road trip and we're going to the kancamagus highway. And for those who don't know, it's like a super crazy scenic road out here in New Hampshire, Vermont. I don't know what state it falls in.
It goes into Vermont, New Hampshire, and Maine.
Yeah, it like loops between 3 states and it's super sick. And there's a lot of car cruises and shit that happen up there. So we're gonna go that way, rip all day, get some good rollers, get some good times, go fast.
What is going on?
And do what we do best. I have no idea. So we're gonna go spray the car off and head that way. Stop and get coffee, obviously.
So Chris is gonna go wash his car over there since over here was taking forever. So we'll all know.
Yeah, this dumb bitch. She's just like taking up the whole car wash. She's taking the whole car wash. Like, why are you even here washing your car, bro?
I don't even think she knew what she was doing. So let's calm down.
No, she didn't because she was using the brush. You don't use the brush.
I don't know how you guys deal with this all the time.
They don't have to. They only deal with me like twice a week. Let's go.
Beanie gang.
Ew, don't. I'm taking my hat off. Woo! We are fueling up. We got the bevs, we got the coffee, we got the food. We're getting the gas, filling her up. We got the foods, the bevs, the foods, and the crunches and what have you. I like how people are like complaining about gas prices, and bro, I've been paying $4 for 93 this whole time. I ain't care. Raise them. Oh, we out with the boy. Yeah, we're Jesus Christ, that coffee is hitting me good. God, that's good. I don't know why coffee just hits so good. Camera shift.
Oh, Mr. GTI, very nice.
Logo, we out here getting rollers, boys.
Corey getting the shots.
Let's go! I love that thing. It's so sick with the all black. Looks really good. We were just talking about it. Like, oh, the next car we gotta get, we should like keep the white going with this one, and then get another one and just like murder it out. It'd be so sick. The yin and the yang. state of New Hampshire. Isn't she beautiful? We out here in the back country, boys. Yeah, so every year, spring and fall, there's a Kancamagus highway cruise that goes through here that we'll definitely go to. We'll try to make it to both of them this year, but it's super sick. It goes all the way up through here with like 200, 500 plus cars that all come through here, like all together, and you get police escort and everything. It's so sick. But I think it's at the end of this month or next month, one or the other. I'm not sure. I gotta check. Hello, giving you the cabin view. I definitely just got you freaking out with that. Let's go. Meg got her COVID shot yesterday, her first one for her work because she has to have it, but we're a man down. Her shoulder's a little limp.
Kind of hurts. Love that.
That was a hairpin. So later on, we're gonna try to make it to the spring and the fall cruise through this, and hopefully by then I'll have a better camera, and I'm gonna try to do like a full edit, more so like so you guys can see everything. But for now, we're just gonna be ripping all day. So I'll give you guys the best that I can film. Let her eat. Oh, 2 GTI, very nice. Oh, so windy. If I go down, I'm not coming back up. Shit. That was the most beautiful piss I've ever taken. Woo! Look at him, he's like, wee! Boy hooked it up. He got the good rollers. Let's go, my man's. He was literally bobbing and weaving in the trunk. And we're back. Let's boogie.
After Chris just gave me the camera and it wasn't even filming.
I had her filming because we were trying to film Brandon trying to get shots, and I wasn't filming the whole time. I was like, oops. This kid's neck broken.
Yeah, this kid's like, what? Don't forget you're still filming.
Well, hello. Oh, goodness, so cold.
With that kid crying in the background.
That kid's neck broken.
What was that?
Wheel hop.
Is he still filming? Awkward. So, how y'all doing? That's good. I'll just shut this off for him. Freaking gross!
I forgot my undies.
Nasty.
Here. He's like, I just got done tasting goddamn kids in their GTIs.
Rockin' rice rockets. You ain't from around here. Maybe I'll leave this with the charger.
I don't know if you guys want to do like the brewery, but there's also a Mexican restaurant.
Ooh, she's stuck in there.
Blackberry, they have like mango, strawberry.
That's on him. That's a him thing.
What?
Little souvenir for later.
There's another restaurant. It's a Mexican restaurant. They have margaritas too, but they don't.
literally, I'm so glad I was filming though. We literally, for anybody who does not know or could not tell, we just jumped in the air twice.
Oh my god!
Whoa!
Yeah, I gotta stop and pull over and take a look after that one. We gotta
Whoa!
find some. Did you hear the lady we passed?
No.
Dude, after you passed, she opened her window and started screaming.
Well,
Now that almost everyone has watched me throw up on
now that
camera.
Meg almost threw up, and we literally jumped this twice in a row, go down there and hit that like button. We are currently on the side of the road. We were trying to help this dude that has four ways on. It's like worst case scenario. He's from New York, and we thought it was a dead battery. So Brandon stopped at, what was that? Brandon stopped to help him, and he's like, no, it was like making a knocking noise, and we're like, ooh, not good, brother, not good. I think that was a big ripperoni for that guy. Tried to help. That's all we really can do out here doing God's work. Now we're ripping through Hanover. We're back home.
This guy thinks you're honking at him.
Is it him or somebody else? I don't
It's
know.
him.
Oh.
But that guy thinks you're honking at him. Look at everybody turn their heads like.
Next, broken.
That scared the fuck out of me.
Same. Everybody is so upset.
Yeah.
Literally,
Everyone's
everybody is so
staring at you guys.
upset.
That car's like, fuck you guys, I'm out.
The person in front of him literally
I
thought they
know.
could go. They're like, what?
Someone's screaming at him.
It's so bad. Do y'all know where Queche is?
I'm a dig, boys. Let's see it. Let's see it. Who's got it?
Bro, there's no traction here.
Yeah, we got 4 people though.
Yeah, okay, you're right. I got stock clutch.
We got weight on our side. I got stock clutch too.
Okay, Mr. IS38. Brandon, do 40. That really was a cop though. He didn't turn around, were you good?
Back there?
Yeah, he passed us. I'm pretty sure it was. She can't hold third! Well,
Get out of here.
Bruh. I love when you're ripping and you like hear somebody like way off in the distance still going. Ugh, we are home. Kippy, come here. Come here, monkey. Oh my goodness, hi honey. Hi, miss you so much. I haven't seen you all day. Oh my god, I missed you, baby. Oh, as to what else is happening tonight is quite unclear. We're gonna take a chill minute here and clean up a little bit. We might go get some drinks. I don't know. Ah, I rubbed something in my eye, dude. It's driving me nuts. I'll let you know in a minute. Hello. Welcome back to the cabin. Alright, we're waiting on Meg. She's getting ready real quick, and then I think we're gonna go out and get some drinks. I don't know if we're gonna be ripping or anything, but we're gonna go out to Claremont, get some drinks, chill with the homies. If anything happens, I'll film along the way. If nothing happens, then right after this, you will see the outro. Let's go. Don't forget to go down there and hit that like button on the video, bros, if you like today's video. Bro, that time we literally jumped, bro. I can't imagine how bad Brandon, what am I saying? Can't imagine how bad he bottomed out, bro. They had 4 people deep in the car. Fuck. We literally, it was like shaped so you almost didn't bottom out though. It was like really big humps. The first one like launched me a little bit, and I literally like looped into the next one and then like and then we hit the ground and bounced and went sideways. I can't wait to look at the footy. Oh my god, it's gonna be crazy. Damn, Danny, back at it again.
That's a good parking spot for you.
Perfect.
Right in the handicap.
Dude, shut up. What's up, Brady?
Gas.
Chillin', bro. Good morning, brothers. Whoa, I almost ate it. Oh my god, need to get out of the wind. Away from the wind, hide in the corner. Alrighty guys, that's a wrap, bro. I didn't have time to film last night. We got home super late. We went out and got some drinks, ripped around for a little bit. Just trying to get home safe, nothing crazy. Oh god, dude, I'm so tired. Oh my god. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. That was so sick. I can't wait to go edit it. I don't know if it's gonna be really good, crazy, whatever it's gonna be. I just thought this would be super fun to film for the whole day. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Go down there, hit that like button. Don't forget, help me hit the 500 subs the thing. I'm trying to hit 500 subs by the end of the month. So go down there, hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Welcome to the channel. As always, your boy will catch you in the next one. You guys keep it real, keep on driving, and I will see you in the next one with some new mods. Peace.